So if we're going to multiply decimals, all right, so there's like a golden rule with subtracting. Always subtract the larger from the smaller number. And if you know that the answer is going to be negative, then just make sure it was negative, right? But always subtract larger from negative when doing the subtraction algorithm. For multiplication, the exact same thing. When you're multiplying decimals, always multiply with your smaller number below your larger number when you line them up vertically. So therefore, if I was going to multiply this, I want it to look like this. 4.78 times 2.3. Okay? So always make the smaller number below the larger. And then also align the decimal points. When you align the decimal points, again, we still have a place value here, though, right? So I'm going to put that in as 0. So you can fill in all those place values with 0. Then, ladies and gentlemen, it just goes back to the multiplication algorithm. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. However, with multiplication, we're not going to, even though we align the decimal points, we're not going to worry about where the decimal point lies here just yet. Then I need to create my first place value. So I'll put a square around the 0. And now I do the 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 2 is going to be 23. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. OK. Then I remove what I carried over. And now I get into 2 place values. And now I multiply the 2's. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. OK? And now I'm just going to add vertically. Zeros is obviously 0. 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 1 plus 9 is 10. Now, does anybody remember from back in the day how to determine where the decimal point goes? Yeah? Yeah, very good. Pretty much basically all you guys do is count the numbers to the right of the decimal. Make sure you include that 0, that place value included. But it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start at the end and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be your final answer. 10.9940. OK?